accept that what you are having right now in your life, what you are experiencing in your life, the problems, the situations you are going through is the result of what you did in your past, is the result of your karma which you did in your past. And that's why you are having that hurdles. That's why you are having that situation in your life. So you have to accept it in order to get what you want, in order to manifest the life you want, in order to live the life you want. So what we are doing, we are not accepting that what we are having in our life is the result of our karmic cycle, is the result of what we did with others, is the result what we did in our past. So that's why we are going through the situations we are going through in right now, in reality. And you have to understand that what you did in your past, if you hurt someone in your past, and if you did something wrong in your past, is that's why you are having these kind of situations in your life. So you have to accept it that what you are living, what you are having is the result of your karmic cycle, is the result what you did in your past. And what you want to have, what you want to be in your life, what you want to have in your life, what you want to be in future is the thing which you do today, is the thing which you accept it today, is the thing which you take actions about it. That's why you will have that thing in future. Let's take an example. If you are a little fat, I'm not body shaming of anybody here, but I'm just giving an example. If you want to lose weight and if you're trying to lose weight, why are you losing weight? Because you are fat and you want to look slim, you want to look fit. And why are you fat? Because you did something in your past, like you stick to junk food, you just sit continuously, you don't exercise, you just scrolling your phone, not doing any workout, not doing any physical activities. That's why you are fat right now. That's the result of your past karma. That's you are having it today. So in order to get a slim and fit body, in order to get a healthy body, what you have to do? You have to do exercises, you have to do workouts, you have to keep your body moving, you have to go gym, you have to go walk, you have to do things, you have to skip your junk food. That's how you wanna get that slim body, that slim figure, that healthy body. That's the karma you have to do today so that you get the result in future. And if you don't do it, you are not getting any results in future. No matter how many you do, how many times you do scripting, no matter how many times you visualize, no matter how many times you do affirmations, you are not going to get that. You have to believe, you have to accept that what you're doing right now is the result you will have in your future, and what you did in your past is the result of your having in your reality. You have to accept it. So, first of all, accept it. Second, do not play a blame game. Like, it is very important for you to understand it. Like, we are playing blame game in our life. That's why we are not having what we want in our life. What is blame game here? It's like we are blaming everyone around us continuously instead of seeing what we did. Like, if you get less marks in your exam, you are blaming your teacher, you are blaming your parents, you are blaming your friends for that. Is it really true that that's why you get less marks in your exam? No, it's not. You get less marks in your exam because you did. Because you didn't study well. Because you didn't think that it's important to study than scrolling your Instagram or Facebook. You didn't did. That's why you get less marks in your exam. You have to understand it. That do not play a blame game in your life. If you want to have anything, if you want to achieve anything, you have to stop playing blame game. So, stop playing blame game on everyone around you. Stop doing that. And another thing is that how you will accept that whatever you are having in your life is because of you. You have to accept. So I recommend you one technique, and this is not a technique though. It's like you have to do this Ho'oponopono prayer, and it's a miracle. It's a magic. Like, you will do it and you will get results. Like, it's prayer. I tried it for myself and this is like magic. So what you have to do in this prayer, like, you are asking forgiveness from universe that whatever you did in your past, you are sorry for that. Whatever you did in your past, you are sorry for that. So this phrase is like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. There is 4 lines in this prayer and it's so simple. You just have to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. So, how you have to do? First, you have to tell universe for what you are asking forgiveness. Like, I frame it like that whatever I did in my past, I'm sorry for that. Please forgive me, universe, for the mistakes I did in my past, for the mistakes I did in my life. And I love you and I thank you that you forgive me. You have to do this. And if you are dealing any kind of situation, you just have to add that situation one time. Just tell the universe first that what you are asking forgiveness. And then after that, what you have to do, you have to just say this 4 lines like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. You can repeat it for 5 times. You can repeat it for 10 times. You can repeat it for 5 minutes. You can repeat it for 10 minutes. You can repeat as many as time as you want. First, I want you to start from less time, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And what the important thing here is, you do not get as a technique, as a ritual. You have to feel each and every word you are saying. You have to feel each and every word. So, feel how universe is forgiving you. And you will see the results. This prayer is magical. These prayers remove each and every blockage in your life which you are going through. Make sure to try this prayer for at least 21 days, because when you do something for a long time, you build it like in yourself, in your subconscious mind. So do this prayer. And one more thing is that take your power in your hands. Take the power in your hands. That tell yourself that you are the creator of your life. You are the God of your life. Whatever happening, you are the reason. Whatever going to happen, you are the reason. You have to tell yourself that nobody is influencing your life. If you say and if you feel that others are influencing your life, then everything is not going in your way. Everything is gonna go their perspective. It's gonna be random. It's not gonna be in your way. So tell yourself that whatever gonna happen in your life is the reason of yours. You are the creator. What you want, what you think is going to happen. You have to believe and you have to 100% sure what you think is gonna happen. What you believe is gonna happen. So believe happens in your life. What you believe is gonna happen. If you believe you are good enough to have what you want in your life, you're gonna have it. If you don't believe that you can't have that thing, you are not gonna have anything in your life. Believe in yourself. Make yourself worthy of what you want in your life. And see the magic happens. So, that is for today's video, guys. I hope you understand the thing that you have to tell yourself that you are the God of your reality. You have to understand that whatever you did in your past is the reason what you are having in your life right now. So make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel so that others find this video very soon and they implement these techniques in their life and get results. So let's meet in another video, and I hope you manifest what you want and I hope you live the life you want. Bye bye.